Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Easy Craft Videos. I hope so all my viewers are fine and doing well. Guys, this collection is very interesting related to the Christmas decoration ideas. Merry Christmas 2023, the celebration are started now. And one of the best platform, one of the best ideas, and keep watching, stay with me. Easy Craft Videos is one of the best platform that provides you the Christmas decoration ideas 2023. The candle holder decoration ideas and the different ideas of Christmas. The Christmas decoration is very important, and 2023 the celebration are started. How to decor your home very stylish? Then follow my YouTube channel, like to my YouTube channel, share to my YouTube channel, and if you are interested for the decoration of Christmas, Easter, birthday, wedding, then subscribe to my channel. If you are new on my YouTube channel and watch this video, then your first responsibility and your first role to subscribe to my channel, because one of the best platform on YouTube that provides you the outstanding and the amazing, stylish, elegant, simple, creative ideas of decoration. The candle holder looks so amazing, and the lighted candle holder ideas, how to decor your table on Christmas, then follow my YouTube channel. Guys, give your remarks, give your feedback in comment box. Your feedback and your remarks and your positive and negative response is very important for you. If you love this video, then your positive response, and you, if you have any trouble and if you have any mistake, then find out, then share your feelings and share your words on my YouTube comment box. Follow to my YouTube channel, share to my YouTube channel with your family and friends, with your social media accounts, because the decoration is very important. And if you love the video, to share and like and comment. The decoration, handmade decoration, easily available in different stores, and go and purchase and decor your home very beautiful, very elegant ideas, not the repeated and not the old, creative way to ideas, and support to my YouTube channel, one of the bestest designs, one of the best ideas. So stay with me with the Easy Craft videos.